Then fill the bottle with 1 by 2 with vegetable oil. Then pour some vinegar into a small cup and add food color to dye it up. Finally, pour the vinegar into the oil. Thus, the lava lamp is created.
This process is due to the drop of vinegar full to the oil. The bottom of the bottle it reacts to the baking soda to make a carbon dioxide gas.
We can do this. First take some oil in this and add this baking soda in it. After that take a vinegar. It is acid like
and mix the color and pour it out for the oil.
put the light down. What the light down?
Say thank you, da.
Good morning. Electricity from sodium iodide chloride solution, copper and a metal. We are going to add some sodium chloride solution, salt water in a copper vessel. Now we are going to connect the copper vessel with a wire. We are connecting a metal bolt with wires and placing it inside the salt water.
We are using copper bowl because copper bowl is a cathode, and we are also using aluminum foil because it is a anode. If we mix two together, we can dissolve this salt water easily.
Now we are connected with a multimeter and hence we are getting the amount of electricity produced by this method.
We are using crocodile clip because it makes easy to connect with the multimeter. During this experiment, we are using crystal water, which is composed of sodium and chlorine. When we are using this, the sodium and chlorine will get separated, which is sodium is a positive ion and chlorine is a negative ion. This electrode will deposit the sodium ion and collects the negative ion. And see, we are getting at least half a volt because we did at the opposite ends. If we did at the same end, means we will get even more than 1 volt. For example, if I am taking out of this, see, you will get less volt. Hence, it is proved that we have got the experiment correct.
This is a simple method which can be done in all houses. If we do it in large scale, it's enough to blow up a city. Thank you.
And if we did with salt water only, we will get this electricity. If we did with boiled water, means you don't get much of the amount of electricity. And even if you did with pure water, means you don't get electricity.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. Our topic is hydraulic JCB. The principle of hydraulic JCB is Basel law. The maximum price of the JCB is 10 lakh to 12 lakhs.
JCB refers to Joseph Cyril Bamford. 200 psi is the JCB pressure.
The max speed of the hydraulic JCB is 5000 MRP.
The Pascal law states that when pressure is applied in one side of the fluid in the volume, it is transmitted to all parts of the fluid.
The pump of hydraulic JCB is between 2 to 10 HP.